Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday, it is the first day of the new year, 2024, and it is the 1st of January. Happy New Year. Welcome in to the Chris Allen Sam channel here at Sam and on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X, all sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. With the weather on this first day of the new year, last night was just cloudy. It was chilly. There may have been a little spritz of drizzle somewhere, but not a big deal. Further north, there were a couple of flurries that were flying around. There's even some up close to the Ohio River, even early this morning, but that's not a big deal. Not a deal breaker. It's pretty typical for this time of the year. And we're still seeing a lot of those clouds this morning on the satellite view. And they're going to be with us pretty much all day. Uh Low clouds. Some of the thicker clouds have moved on, but these are low clouds that are just going to kind of hang around today. But it is going to be chilly for this first day of the new year. We're only looking at maybe upper 30s to near 40 for a high temperature, and some of you will not even get close to that. As far as precipitation, yeah, there's nothing really out there. You may see maybe a flurry passing by in a couple of cases, or maybe like a just a raindrop on your windshield, a little mist or something. But this upper level energy is going to go away over the next 24 hours, and things will begin to improve and warm up just a little bit as we get into the day tomorrow. But overall, temperatures, as you'll soon see, are going to be staying pretty close to average or even just below average for this time of the year. Let's, speaking of temperatures, check the Kentucky Mesonet Network here as of 5:30 on your Monday morning, January 1st. And as you're heading out this morning, cold 30s, right around freezing across pretty much statewide. Not seeing too much of a difference in temperature, low to almost mid 30s anywhere you look across the area. So, under those clouds, I think we'll stay rather chilly today. And with the winds coming in, from the northwest, it's not going to be all day breezy, but there will be enough of a breeze to where it makes that upper 30s feel like upper 20s as far as a wind chill, just enough to put that extra chill in the air. I mean, even yesterday, it felt like we got up to 54, I think it was, and, when the wind would blow, it would feel even chillier. So it's gonna be kinda like that today. So don't expect too much in the way of warmth around here anytime soon. All right, let's check, the model blender and the next 10 days. And there you go. We're looking at today, maybe 38, 39. Somebody could, possibly hit 40. But then after that, we're pretty much gonna level out. Temperatures should be running about 46, 47 for a high temperature on average. And we're going to be close to that, but kind of just taking little dips every once in a while. But across the board, as you see there, low to mid 40s, a couple of days, a week from today, Monday, Tuesday of next week, we do look to get into the low 50s. Otherwise, there's not a whole lot of change going on here, and really no big major systems coming in. There may be one or I should say this coming weekend, which potentially could do something, but I'm not sold on that just yet. Let's take a look at it. Here's a look at the maps over the next few days. There's some of the flurries that are going on this morning in northern Kentucky up toward Cincinnati, and then down toward the metro Louisville area in wake of this frontal boundary that is passing through or has passed through, really. So that's going to go away today. High pressure builds in, gives us a good day tomorrow for your Tuesday, the 2nd of January. And it's it's fairly strong high pressure. So it's going to bring us some sunshine. Finally, we get into Tuesday night, some fog around the area. Here we go into Wednesday. Now there's some southern stream moisture that is, as you can see, associated with a low pressure system, couple of them, um, down toward the Rio Grande Valley, and it's going to surge some of that moisture on the backside of the high. Naturally, the rotation here in the upper atmosphere is going to take those southerly winds, are going to bring in some of that moisture. Now, when it's cold enough this time of the year, when we see these southern tracking systems, then we kind of, do a little heads up like maybe it could produce something that we need to watch. This one, maybe. I mean, it's mostly rain, and I think it would be a little bit of rain, especially to the south of Nashville. And you see here the Cumberland Plateau, the Nashville Weather Service office has like a little, just a little snow forecast in the higher elevations once you get over past Lake Cumberland for Wednesday. Right now, we're leaving any of that out of the forecast, although can't rule out a flurry maybe for Wednesday night. Here we go into Thursday. And here comes a much bigger system. Well, we're basking under high pressure and temperatures in the 40s as we get into Friday. Here comes a system. This is the bigger system out west that's going to affect us for the weekend. But right now, it's a question mark how much it's going to affect us and just, how this is going to play out. But here we go into Friday afternoon, then into Saturday. Well, it's showing everything kind of borderline for us. Um, Rain certainly to the south because it'll be upper 40s to low 50s, but further north where it's more like 30s to 40s, we're going to be kind of on that fence between mixed precipitation and snowflakes, mixing in maybe with rain at times on Saturday. And then by Sunday, this thing is gone. So that's why I say potentially we could see something Saturday. I'm going to go with mostly rain right now because temperatures will be in the mid 40s. But at night, when it gets cold enough, eh, maybe it's too far out to really say right now. So we'll just leave it at that. But I'll keep you updated, of course, throughout the week to see what happens with that. Okay, I'm done. That's it. Oh, no radio show today. But I will be on TV tonight, WNKY News 40, 5, 6, and 10, with the weather as usual. So there you go. Have a great day. Thanks for watching as always. God bless. And I'll see you back here tomorrow morning and Happy New Year.